Are they aggressive?
Not
No,
really, they're not.
They are not.
So you see the hart beast?
Yeah.
This is the hart beast. Same family with the wild beast, yeah?
Okay, they are close.
So these two have a mutual benefit relationship. What I mean is that
Working together.
yeah, that's why they are working together for security purposes and survival tactics. You see, so for the zebra has very good eyesight. Yeah, zebra has a very good eyesight but poor sense of smell, while the hartebeest has poor eyesight but very good sense of smell.
Oh, that's why they are together.
Yes.
To help each other.
Yes.
So that's it.
That's why even when the wildebeest cross, they cross to Tanzania
like,
together
okay.
with the zebras.